What's up, guys? It's Happy Apocalypse here. I'm here with SK, and today I'm playing Five Nights at Candy's.
And I'm gonna put you with like
So
Get ready for a shuffling series coming.
Yeah.
I will record it. It's gonna be great.
SK,
I'm getting kind of good at the actual game.
supposedly, according to the lore, this game actually takes place after Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Don't ask me why. Oh well, let's keep going. Candy's Burgers and Fries. Not responsible for injury of any kind. Yeah, see? It said one. Okay, I'm gonna need to listen to the phone guy, so everyone shut up.
Hello, hello. It's bullshit. So listen up.
You have one new message.
Oh, that is creepy.
Hello? Hello? Hi? Junior manager here. So you're the new security guard, right? Yeah, it's great to finally have someone qualified for the job, you know?
Yeah.
We had to, like, share the shift because, you know, someone has to be here during the night.
Oh, I am
But with you, now we have more energy to be here during the day. You see, we're probably going to be a lot busier from now on. You may have heard about the place called Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got shut down yesterday. I don't know why, though. Probably something like tax fraud or such, you know. I never really liked that place. I always had a bad feeling about it, you know. Their pizzas weren't even that good. Anyway, I think you're going to fit in really well here. The staff are really nice. We make sure to help each other out on everything. Like, when we close late in the evening, we all make sure that the floors and tables are properly cleaned and all the dishes has been washed before we get off of the day. Now, in order to save power, of course, all the lights will at night be turned off. But don't worry, we have a desk lamp in the office that you can use.
Hey.
If you open up the maintenance panel, you'll be able to view the restaurant through the security cameras. And the cameras all have a neat feature, which is night vision mode.
Ooh, that's
These
cool.
cameras were the cheapest we could get, so the night vision isn't that accurate, but it does retain the colors, which is good, I guess. You can toggle the night vision by activating the camera you're already on. And by the way, we have a security feature in the restaurant that limits how much power can be used after
come
hours.
on. Seriously?
This is mainly so that our electricity bill doesn't skyrocket during a night if somebody forgot to turn off something somewhere, you know. Now, your office is also the information area, which you can tell because of the window counter in front of you.
Hey, any words?
There should be a button underneath the desk too. This is for the security door in front of your window.
I mean,
To your left and right are also two doors. These doors are a little
there's Peter
stupid.
Penguin.
You see, they require power to be closed. I think
Candy
it was
and
something about
Cindy.
some computer or somewhere always checking if they're closed or not. Or maybe it was a security feature, you know, in case the place goes dark.
How do I know if it's
Like, if there was a power outage, you know, you would be stuck here. But the doors open up automatically if that happens.
Oh, it's one.
All three doors are power-driven, so
2 a.m.
basically don't use too much power. Otherwise, the place will shut off completely. But don't worry. As I said, the doors will open up if that happens, so you won't be trapped. I think that was all for now. Yeah. Good luck on your first night here. Don't fall asleep, and have a good night.
Why? You have 3 entry points for me. 3 freaking entry points, people. Couldn't at least give me a nuke. Or an RPG, that would be equally helpful. Okay. 2 a.m. I think I'm doing good.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Miss Mysticans.
Let's do this. Okay, no one's moved. So far, so good. And there's a burger like the cupcake. Oh, it's apparently the 16th of November.
That's
19.
important for war.
Yeah. Okay. Still 2 a.m. God. god, why? Why has nothing moved? Oh, wow. You know that feeling when you get really scared and your heart is beating really fast? My heart is about to explode from that. And let's check the time. 3 a.m. Halfway there. Oh! Candy's moved. Shoot. Oh, main hall. That's bad. Okay. Let's keep an eye on you. Oh, you can see his eyes. Sure. Oh! You are scaring me. Nope, that's bad. I'm double dooring. Door. Right there. Okay, so. Okay, you're right there. You're right there. Stupid guy's right there. It's 4 a.m. Okay. Doing good. Okay, you're there. You're there. Please tell me I have enough power to make it through the night.
By the left.
I know. No. I am not gonna make it. 4 a.m. Please just give me 5 so I can triple door. Oh. Gotcha.
That was like a totally non-phased answer. Just like, oh, gotcha.
Ha, gotcha. Okay. 4 a.m. Going strong. See how Drawing Monkey does. Wait. Ah! Have to. Oh!
Shit.
Holy crap!
Jesus,
That was awesome!
that is terrifying as fuck. Oh. Well, I just got scared out of my mind.
Crap, that was awesome. Right, SK?
Sure.
Holy crap.
Well, try again.
Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, I have to start back at 12. Crap. Let's mute the stupid phone guy. Hey, it's a band! Okay, so around 3 a.m. they start to move. Okay, so I'm gonna call you Drawing.
Challenge is to do literally nothing for 2 hours.
That's a bad idea, because if I don't check the cameras, they're going to come at me with everything they got. Sure about that, SK?
Sure. No, you can check. You can't.
Well, I need to check so they don't move.
You can check periodically, just don't check excessively.
Okay. So my power doesn't wear down and crap. Band time!
That attracts animatronics in every FNAF game.
No, it actually doesn't. I've checked. Okay. I was at 4 a.m. last time.
Yeah, dude, what happened with the door? That got excessively...
Apparently, if you have it for too long, they burn out. So, That's good to know. 1 a.m. That's good to know for next time. This has like that Five Nights at Freddy's feel. Like it feels finished,
polished.
but it feels like there could be more.
It doesn't seem like it's got custom made.
Yeah,
Like-
well, art-wise. Sorry. Still 1 a.m. Looking around my Christmas tree, it's not even Christmassy. Yeah. Okay, thank God no one has moved. And my heart is pounding like a nuke that's about to hit. Come on, please just get me to 6. And, oh. 2 a.m. Still gonna double check. I think, never mind. Creepy burger.
The burger is like the MVP of jump scaring you.
Seriously? No, what if it jump scares you at 12 a.m. night 1? I mean night 5. Ah, I worked so hard to get up there. Still 2 a.m. and I have 6 bars left out of my total 8.
Incidentally, if you guys can't tell already, we're experimenting with new microphones we got.
Yeah. Well, we've had them for a while, we just didn't know the microphones were good. Oh, 3. No one's moved. Yeah, I am wrong.
Burger hat.
What camp does the burger start on? Oh! Cindy's moved. Oh, yeah, she's right back there. And, of course, main hall. Going not so strong. Right there. You're right there. I'm starting to panic a little. Oh, they're right next to each other. Cade area and manhole 1. 4 a.m.
Is someone there?
Seem to be.
don't, you're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out stuff.
Oh yeah. I just don't know where Cindy is. It's really making me anxious. Oh. Let's check. 5 a.m. Walking up for the night. Please. Where the heck are they? Oh, they're all back at main stage. What a bunch of crap. Got me worried sick. And I jinxed it. Frickin' jinxed it. Please. Dear God, give me night 2.
Your dad's like, oh, I'll fix that.
You're right there, you're right there. Dear God. 5 a.m. It's 5 a.m. forever. Try to give that a little. Crap. Please. Yes! I'm gonna die. Loading feed. What? Is this like a hidden minigame? What the heck is that? Watching you, man. Hey, is that the puppet? Wait, the puppet is smiling. Whoa, that's creepy. I didn't move that fast. See if I can move on the nose. Watching you, man. Oh, someone's beating out a groovy sound. Oh, we're having a staring contest. Dang it, I blinked. Well, guys, I guess we'll see you guys next time. Whoa!